Hey there, friends. Nibs again, out here in the garage tonight, doing a little bit of goofing around, and we're going to do a little bit of testing on a new gun that was, well, not new, old gun actually, that was sent over to me by channel subscriber Don B. I won't say his last name because a lot of people like their anonymity. So, but this was sent over to me to repair. It was not shooting very well. It would push a BB out the barrel, but just barely. It wouldn't even make it across the garage. But what we have here is a Daisy model 1894. Per the date code on this one was made in 1977, so it is pretty old. But I replaced the seal set inside of it, and it's shooting pretty good now. So we're going to go ahead and try to cut a can in half with it. I'm not sure I'll keep you on for the whole thing, but we'll run through at least a couple of magazines full on it and see how far we can get. Other than that, it was in pretty good shape, and I think it'll last a long time from here on out. So let's go ahead and get started. Brand new fresh can there, and it's going clean through the can, so that's no problem there. I think it holds about 30 shots total. So you actually load BBs into this little side gate here, and there's a tube that runs down the side, and then there's actually a little lever here. You flip it upside down and pull that out, and BBs will run out of that tube and into the main feeding tube. So you get kind of a two-part magazine there. Oh, we gotta cock the hammer or it won't fire. That's a nice tear there. These guys were never really powerhouses, but good enough to go through a soda can. So that just kind of keep going left and right with it and turning that can. So you got fresh stuff to shoot at. So you got to keep an eye on this little lever here. When you see it get down to the bottom, you got to refill from the magazine in the gun, and then once that's out, then you have to put more in it. I do like that these are more of a, so it is a more positive feed than like a Red Ryder where you're relying on gravity. Oop. Oh, I'm gotta. So you gotta so I still do have a few more in the tube at least. So there we go. Not doing too bad so far. Almost down on that. All right, let's load up this last little bit here. So it's just about full again. So I think you get like 10 or 12 shots in each one of these little pullouts. Still actually some in the still a couple in the tube there too. So starting to hit in places where I've already hit. There we go. That was a good tear right there. We're getting some good cut there. You can still hear them BBs rolling around that mag there. So I think the can's stuck in the paper. It won't rotate. All right. Wow, I still got more in the magazine tube. I know we're getting about 10, 12 shots per. I don't know if you'd call that the first and secondary magazine tubes. I only thought it would, but it does go all the way from here all the way up to here. So that's, yeah, it could be like 40 BBs, I guess. Just hitting in the same spot where. All right, I'm gonna pop that thing loose from the paper because I'm not able to get it to spin, and I want to see how I'm doing. So stand by. Yeah. Okay. So the a big shred of it had flung backwards and was poked into the paper, holding it from being able to pull backwards. I think I'm got a couple there, but I'm almost out from this first fill. I've got it cut most of the way through. It's that last little bit that is always hard. There we go. All right, we just got a couple more here, and then I'm gonna fill it back up though, because we're gonna finish this can. That'll be the last one. Yep. All right. So I'm gonna pause the camera. I'm gonna fill this back up again, and then we'll finish that can off. So I don't know how many BBs. I didn't count them, but if anybody knows how much this thing will hold, it seemed like probably about 50 or so, I'm guessing. Alrighty, I am back. Got it all topped off. Let's see if we can finish this can up. chunk that I'm trying to hit's behind the can in the back. It's definitely dangling by just a small piece now. Ooh, look at that. Just a little bit off to the left there. Hope if I hit it. Ooh, got the meaty bit right up front there. Just the tiniest little sliver there. There we go. Ooh. I think the BB went out, but getting close. Wow. Oh my word, so close. Come on. Hey, there we go. Hope you guys were counting. I don't know how many that was. I'm guessing probably around 70 or so. Just rough guess. But there you go. Let me grab that and we'll take a look at it real quick and see how I did. Stand by. Alrighty, so there you go. That is the two halves. So what I've been doing lately, I used to hang them by the little tab, the pop tab, but I've been poking a hole in the bottom and then running the wire down, and that lets it rotate it a little bit easier, so you can get it spun around when you hit it just right. But there you go. Got the old 1894 all fixed up and ready to go back. We'll contact Don and let him know and get this back to him as soon as I can. So Hope you guys liked the video. Till next time, have a great day.